Hey friends, welcome to Dr. JV Vibes. I will keep this video mostly silent and please enjoy the views. Beautiful morning here in southeast Queensland. How is your day? Say hello, my friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this from. Say hello and put your location, my friend. Where are you watching this from? Are you enjoying these videos? Give some feedback, my friends. It is nice to relax into nature time to time, isn't it? Just dissolve, let it all go. All the thoughts, worries, fears, whatever is bothering us, let it all dissolve into this beautiful nature. When you do that, when we all do that, my friends, our health improves, our mind state improves, our emotions balance, right? It is all good. The nature is always a good news, isn't it? People are relaxing and enjoying the nature. the ocean, plantation, beautiful breeze around. Pay attention to your top of your head, my friend. Top of your head, in the middle of your head. Not to forehead. No. Forehead is like a window, but the top of your head is like a door. So pay attention to the door on top of your head, on the vertex, where the child, an infant baby's head is open. If you remember, it is open when we were born, but it gets closed as we grow into this human life. But that is the door. We have to pay our attention always to the door, not to window in the forehead. Lot of times we do that mistake. So put all your attention, energy, your focus to top of your head. Okay, my friends? Believe me, that will take you long way on your spiritual, inner, personal journey. Oh, these beautiful birds here. Can you see them? I will try to expand. One has come here. Oh, there you go. Little birdie, couple of them actually. They just live in the nature, eh? They don't have all the worries and thoughts we have, humans. I think they are having far better incarnation than us. What do you say? Make a comment, my friends. Look at all of them. Can you see them? So many. They just relaxed into nature. So we have to learn something from them, eh? Have a beautiful day, my friends. Please subscribe to the channel Dr. J Vibes and like this video and share with a few friends. Let's develop this channel, my friends, together, you and me. Okay, friends? See you again on Thursdays. Inspirational video followed by a homeopathic video in the weekend. Bye for now.